Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss on topic genetically modified organism. Genetically modified organism can be defined as organism in which the genetic material has been altered in a way that does not occur naturally by mating or by natural recombination. The technology is often called gene technology or recombinant DNA technology or genetic engineering. In this technology, selected individual gene to be transferred from one organism into another or also between non-related species of the same organism. Foods produced from GM organism are called GM foods. Next is importance for the production of GM foods or why GM foods are important. Produce. GM foods are produced because it have many benefits. Like one of the objectives for developing plants based on GM organism is to improve crop protection. The GM crop currently on the market are mainly aimed to an increased level of crop protection through the introduction of resistance against plant diseases caused by viruses or through increased tolerance towards herbicides. The viruses resistance GMO crops carrying the particular gene for virus code protein are unaffected by viruses. Like GMO tobacco and tomato plants carrying the gene for tobacco mosaic virus code protein. By this, tobacco mosaic virus unable to affect tobacco or tomato plants which are GMOs. Next, resistance against insecticide is achieved by incorporating into the food, plant and gene for toxic production from bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. The toxin produced from Bacillus thuringiensis is currently used as a conventional insecticide in agriculture and it is safe for consumption. These toxins are synthesized by Bacillus thuringiensis during its sporulation, means during the production of spore by the bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis. The spore suspension are sprayed to control larvae of tobacco budworm or many insects cause diseases in plants. Virus resistance is achieved through the introduction of a gene from certain viruses which cause disease in plants. Virus resistance make plant less susceptible to diseases caused by such viruses, resulting in higher crop yield. Next is safety assessment of GM foods. The WHO Department of Food Safety and Zoonoses aims at assisting national authorities in the identification of foods that should be subject to risk assessment and to recommended appropriate approaches to safety assessment. Should national authority decide to conduct safety assessment of GM organism? WHO recommended the use of Codex Alimentarius guideline. These guidelines are direct health effect related to toxicity of GMO plants or GMO foods. Next is potential to provoke allergy reactions, specific component to have nutritional or toxic properties. Next is stability of inserted genes, and next is nutritional effect associated with genetic modification. Next is any unintended effects which could result from gene insertion. Next is issue of concern for the environment. The issues of concern include the capability of the GMO to escape and potentially introduce the engineered gene into wild population, the persistence of the gene after the GMO has been harvested, the susceptibility of non-targeted organism, means insects which are not pests, to the gene products, the stability of the gene and the reduction in the spectrum of another plant, including loss of biodiversity and increased use of chemical in agriculture. Next, the environmental safety aspects of GM crops varying considerably according to local condition. Next is regulation of GM foods by nation. The government have regulated GM foods in various ways. In some countries, GM foods are not yet regulated. Countries which have legislation in place focus primarily on assessment of risk for consumer health. Countries which have regulatory provision for GM foods usually also regulate GMOs in general, taking into account health and environmental risks, as well as control and trade related issues such as potential testing and labeling regimes. In view of the dynamic of the debates on GM foods, legislation is likely to be continue to evolve. Next is safety. Regarding to GM foods. Different GM organisms include different genes inserted in different ways. This means that individual GM foods and their safety should be assessed on case by case basis, and that it is not possible to make general statements on the safety of all GM foods. It is depend on plant to plant, or depend on different categories of plants. GM foods currently available on the international market have passed safety assessment and are not likely to present risk for human health. No effect on human health has been shown as a result of the consumption of such foods by the general population in the countries where they has been approved. The Codex Alimentarius Commission, governed by WHO and FAO, developed principle for human health risk analysis of GM foods in 2003. These guidelines are principle for the risk analysis of foods derived from modern biotechnology. Next, guideline for the conduct of food safety assessment for food derived from recombinant DNA plants. Next, guideline for conduct of food safety assessment of food derived from recombinant DNA microorganism. And another is guideline for the conduct of food safety assessment of food derived from recombinant DNA animals. Thank you.